Hello friends, my name is Mario and this is Exploramix. In today's third part of how I built a workshop on a budget, I will be installing floor and ceiling. I will also tell you exact cost of materials as well as names of specific tools that I used. Let's start! Walls and floor on which I mounted OSB panels were incredibly uneven. For example, difference between one side of the floor and the other was 10 plus centimeters. That is more than 5 inches. To make it somewhat aesthetic, I had to compensate. First, I mounted even planks on all sides of the workshop and then connected them. Once this was done, I put a level gauge on each of them and added continuously supporting logs underneath them. I covered walls, floor and ceiling with OSB panels. On the floor, I decided to use laminated floor as it was the cheapest. This disqualified me from any kind of welding in the future on it. I'm fine with that because the main purpose of this workshop is to work with wood. When every OSB panel was at its place, I painted walls with brown glaze color and ceiling with regular white wall paint.
Máš narysované?
Hej, je to úplně hezký.
Jo.
For insulating the gaps between OSB panels, I used the foam. The foam gun used here is reusable. All you need to do after you work with it is to clean it with industrial cleaner substance. The cost of OSB panels used in this build was 412 euros. That is about $420 or approximately 400 pounds sterling. The planks did cost 170 euros. That's about 180 US dollars and about 160 quid. Laminated floor cost was around 30 euros. All that with shipping included. Every other material here that you see was from old barn in which is this workshop built. If you are on a really tight budget, you don't need to use the power tools, but rather simple hammer, screwdriver and handsaw. It will take time, it will be much more exhausting, but it's possible. I used in this build my trusty power drill from Makita, miter saw Metabo KGS 305M, the new version, and spray gun from Parkside. In the next, the fourth part of video series about how I built a workshop on a budget, I will be installing lights and power outlets. Not to miss it, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on notification bell. Thank you for watching and giving this video a like. My name is Mario, this is Exploramix, and we will see you soon. Ciao!